have my daughter Sydney here with me today. We are going to be making the No Waste Galaxy soap. This is something I make almost every single year, and Sydney is going to be doing this for a National Honor Society personal project she has to do, right?
Yes.
And she's going to be donating it where?
The Safe House
To
Crisis Center.
to a women's shelter.
Yeah.
And she did this last year. She donated there, and we're actually going to add on and do a drive for toiletries like shampoos and conditioners, toothpaste and things like that. So we're gonna make this batch of soap. It'll make probably about 30 bars, and then I'll probably donate some more soaps as well. So with this, typically when I make the no waste soap, these are all of the balls that I save up for every batch that I've done. I've got big planets, and I've got little planets or asteroids, moons, whatever. And then the great thing about soap making is that you can make soap, a really good bar of soap, almost out of any combination of oils. So granted, some are better than others, but with this I had some sweet almond oil I need to use up. There's a little bit of mica in there and some different things that I needed to use. So that will be going into this batch of soap. It'll be really a nice batch. We're going to be doing, I've got some soap shreds over there that'll have some confetti. We'll add some activated charcoal in it. And I'm going to be, I usually don't fragrance it, but I'll go ahead and fragrance it this year. I'm going to be using yuzu, which is a nice citrus scent, kind of a light one, and then activate charcoal. Now before, we've got some different steps. I have 4 fragrances I need to test. So we're going to pour off a little bit of that at the very beginning because I don't want to add any activate charcoal to that, just to see kind of what it looks like and any issues that that fragrance causes with any acceleration or anything like that. So we'll pour that off first. Then we're going to add the activated charcoal.
Yes.
And then I'm going to pour something else off. That's another tester. And then we're going to add the fragrance and the confetti and everything else. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Right.
Okay, let's go ahead. We're going to get our gloves on, and we'll be back in about 2 seconds to get started.